Thanks for stopping by today. Today I am doing some midweek cleaning and I'm concentrating on my baseboards and my floors. So if you're looking for some midweek cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. A few days ago, I accidentally threw away the plastic back to my Dyson cleaner, the part that keeps the canister closed. I am sick about it. I saw the plastic thing and I thought it was a misfit from one of my grandkids' toys or something. I didn't know what it was. I remember looking at it for a long time saying, what is this? What does it go to? I remember going over to their toy box trying to figure it out. And from there, the rest remains a mystery. I don't know what happened to it. I waited a couple days to see if it would turn up somewhere because I just didn't think in my heart. I just didn't feel like I had thrown it away. But apparently I did. So I had to order a new one. So I'm using a broom, long story short. But I'm using this Dawn Power Wash for my baseboards. And when I tell you this is game changing, life changing, whatever. It is a game changer. So you just spray it on basically. And then I'm using my old cedar mop to just kind of wash my baseboards down. Now I will have to go in and hit it with a towel in certain spots that I can't get. But this makes a big difference. My house is very, very dusty. Besides being on a construction zone, I'm in the South in general. And so we just have a lot of sand and dirt that just kind of gets into your house. And this area here is not far from my front door. And it just gets really bad. So I'm really happy to have found out that this power wash will work for this, because getting down on your hands and knees and doing this, it's just not gonna, it doesn't work for me at this point in my life. So thank you, Dawn, for coming out with this. So I'm just using this. Now, I would tell you, I used a little bit too much because it was really sudsing up, but it got it nice and clean. And so I just went back through later with a clean damp mop just to kind of get some of the soap out. But it really works very well. And any kind of mop would work. You know, this one worked good on the one hand because of the angular ends. This part right here is really, really bad in these corners. The dust just kind of congregates in there. So I'm using my towel to get that out. But you can see that I have a lot of soap and stuff. I really do need to paint, but that's not going to happen probably this year. So until then, I will be cleaning these walls and the baseboards until, you know, I can get them painted. When I clean, I take a lot of breaks. Sometimes I sit down, sometimes I take a nap, sometimes I have a little pick me up, which is what I'm doing today. And I'm trying this JAVY coffee for the first time. Now, this is a coffee concentrate, so it comes in this little bottle. It smells just like regular coffee, no difference there. And you're going to see in a minute, it actually looks just like coffee, but you only use about a teaspoon or two in your drink, and then you mix it with whatever type of liquid that you want. So I'm trying it with as an iced coffee, and I'm only going to use 1 teaspoon because I'm just trying this for the first time. Actually, I'm using about a teaspoon and a half to put in there, but you can see that it does look like coffee. Now I'm going to use my regular mix of what I put in my coffee every day, which is some creamer, white chocolate mocha I use by Starbucks, and then I mix that with skim milk, and I'm going to put it in my frother. This step is not necessary, it's just something that I'm doing, but I'm going to put it in the frother just so that I can have a nice creamy drink. And then I'm going to top it off with whipped cream. Now, this product was sent to me, and they also sent a collection of straws, metal straws, which are really cute. You'll see those in a minute. But I'm giving it a try. You know, I am all about my coffee. I'm serious about my coffee. I do not play about my coffee. But this is what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the straws, and then I'm going to stir it up. So far, it's looking really, really good. Very much like a drink that you would get at Starbucks. And when I go to Starbucks, I always get my whipped topping on it all the time. Even if I get a non-fat drink, I still get the whipped topping. And so this is what it's looking like. And I'm giving it a try for the first time. And I'm surprised. It really tastes like a regular iced coffee that you would get anywhere. Very, very tasty. If you're interested in giving this JAVY coffee a try, I will have all of the deets in the description box, as well as a discount code if you're interested in ordering it. Now let's get back to the work. I've got to mop the floor now that I've got the baseboards done. So I use hot water. I do have the wood laminate floors, and I know that there are people that say you shouldn't use vinegar on them, but I find for me that vinegar just makes my floors look better, even than using the method cleaner or the Bona, which I do use from time to time. But if I really want my floors to be clean and I know that they're disinfected and have a nice sheen to them, vinegar is always my go-to. Now, I don't use a lot of water on my floors because it is the wood laminate, and I want to keep my floors nice. I don't want them to be puckled up, and I know that they're not supposed to get extremely wet, so I'm very much aware of that. I need to make these floors last as long as possible. So drop down in the comments below and let me know, what do you use on your floors? And especially if you have the wood laminate, I'm very interested in hearing what you use for your floors to keep them nice and clean. Well, I'm almost done with this task, and it is one that I really don't enjoy, so I'm glad to have it out of the way, and especially the baseboards, because they had really gotten in bad shape, and right now they're looking pretty good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found it motivating, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button before you leave today, and leave me a comment. It helps my channel so much. Also, if you're not currently subscribed, I would love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave today. And if you're a returning family member, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.